Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Today we are going to make some decorative parts on ear. And what we need to start, well, some pearls or of course beads or stones as you desire. My pearl is about 5 millimeter in diameter and also 8 millimeter in diameter. And we need 2 of 8 millimeter and 6 of 5 millimeter. Also, and of course, the wires on two sizes, 0.8 and 1 millimeter. And main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. For these three parts and making them, we need to know about the details about measurements and the sizes that we are going to make these parts for. And here I have a printed scale of human size, and this is the standard size here, but if you don't have one, don't be worried. Just measure two lines. This would be about 3 centimeters, and the height would be about 6.5, and you would have a cross and you would attach them like an egg. And that would be the ear that you are going to make the jewelries for. We just start with making the middle wire jewelry, and we insert 6 of our little pearls in 0.8 wire, and then we would cut the extra to have the space to make a loop at the end. So let's make a loop at the end of this wire with our round nose pliers and pushing it to have a very little loop, and squeeze it with chain nose pliers to have something like this. Now insert the pearls one after the other, and also close the other part, and don't forget not to attach the pearls just side to side, and to have a very little space in between so that you would be free to bend it. And we are going to do so a U shape just like this, and this is going to be put at the middle part. And for the stud part, pick up your bigger pearl and insert it into 0.8 wire. Leave about 1.5 centimeters and then keep it tight and wrap the other tail all around. We would have a complete circle, wire circle, and we are going to repeat it at least for 3 or 4 times. And we'll repeat, rotating and wrapping wire. Then cut this wire out and push the extra part so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. Then we would make a 90-degree bend at the stud part, and that would be it. a very beautiful navy stud part. So this would be something like this till now. This would be the stud part in the middle, and we are going to make the straight part at the top. So again, we pick up the bigger size of the pearl, and this time we are going to use a 1mm wire. For that part, we cut about 7.5 centimeter length of this wire, and then we would put it on our map. Then we insert pearl in, and here we need to fix this pearl just at the middle of this structure. To do so, we are going to make two stoppers at both sides of this pearl. You could choose ready-to-use stoppers, or you could make a little loop with 1mm wire or 0.81, insert it in, and in the desired position, just push this little loop very tight, and to bend it totally onto the work, just like a very little wire coil. And we are going to repeat this at the other side. And this is how we fix the pearl at the middle of this wire. And now this is the time to bend it at these two parts. So with our round nose pliers, we would make two U shapes at the distance desired. And it depends, of course, on the size of ear that you are making this wire jewelry for. And of course, we are going to make two little loops at both ends with your round nose pliers. Just make little loops and P shapes at both sides. And then this would be our three main parts of our ear decorative parts that are so beautiful when in use. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial and you will make a one for yourself or for the one that you love or to sell. I love you so much. Comment your opinions for me. Take care and bye-bye.